Hi, boys and girls. It's nice to see you. I hope that you've had a wonderful week and we're ready to do some more phonics with Mrs. Olin. All right, we're going to talk real quick about what our syllables are. We have some different kinds. Remember that a syllable is a word or part of a word with one vowel sound. We talked about our open syllables when the vowel says its name, like lee, he, ho, mo, but we can close it up. So now it's a closed syllable, and now this vowel is going to say its sound. So it's mon, fawn, fop, fup, zup, zap, and zat. So we have our open and our closed syllables. We also talked about our vowel teams that are syllables. We started with our oi. This is one that would be at the beginning or the end of a word. Oil, spoil, coin, toil, our oi vowel team. Our other way to spell oi, that's always at the end, is oy. Boy, joy, toy, destroy. So this is one of our vowel teams. Remember, vowel teams are two or more letters that work together to say a vowel sound. It might say the vowel's name, it might say the vowel sound, or it might say something else, like our oi said something else. And then we talked about how we heard that there were 5 different vowel teams that go ooh, like moo. We have our UE. We had our EW. We had our, what's this one? Oh, our OO, like our moo. We have our UI that went ooh. And we had our OU. All of these said the long U name, the ooh. All of these vowel teams did. So this was another vowel team that we've talked about. And then last week we talked about aw, like if you saw a puppy. This would be one that would be in the middle or at the beginning of a word. Hall, cause, auto, August, vault, aw. And then we also had our AW, aw, which is usually at the end of a word. Saw, claw, paw, dawn, and crawl. So here's another vowel team, our AW, aw. We have a new skill to teach you guys with phonics, and these are actually silent letters. Now, usually, if there's a silent letter, it's at the end of a word, isn't it? It's that silent E. And that E hops over a consonant and tells the vowel to say your name. This silent letter isn't an E, though. These are different consonants, and they're always at the beginning of a word. The first silent letter we're going to talk about is, oh, let me move this. The first silent letter we're going to talk about is the letter W. The letter W. And it's always followed by an R. So it's WR. And it's just going to go ruh, ruh. So the R is going to make the sound. It's not wah, ruh, wah, ruh. It's just ruh. This is right. This is wrong. Now, this right, it's not like these aren't opposite, right and wrong. This is right like you're going to write with your pencil or a marker or a crayon. So this is right with a pencil, and this is wrong, something that is wrong or incorrect. So one of our silent letters is a W for right and wrong. So that's one of our letters, and it's always followed by an R, and the R gets to make the sound. Another silent letter that's always at the beginning of a word is G. So this is the word gnat, and this is the word new. And a new is an antelope. It's an antelope, and oh, I had it right here. Here it is. This is what it looks like. It kind of looks like a cow, but it's an antelope. This is a new. So you don't say the G at the beginning of that. You only hear the N. It's not gnant. It's not gnu. And that doesn't even really make sense, does it? Gnant. So if you see this and you go, gnat, and you'll be like, oh, that doesn't make sense. Oh, the G is silent. That's right. So our G is silent. And we have one more letter that is at the beginning of a word and is silent, and that's a K. This is the word no and knife. It's not going to be cano or knife. It's no. Like I know a lot of things because I'm very smart, because I'm doing all of my work. Or be careful with that sharp knife. Don't cut yourself. So no and knife also have the silent K. Now, do you notice that I wrote these on letters? That's so that I could remember when I'm writing. Oh, for write, when I'm writing, I need that W. Oh, and for gnat, I need that G. So maybe when you're at home and you're practicing your spelling words, I did think the K was pretty tough, but maybe you could cut out some bubble letters and put the silent letters, the words that have the different silent letters on them. So that might be something to do. Or maybe you could draw some bubble letters on a piece of paper and just write them inside of it to practice our silent W, our silent G, and our silent K. And remember, they're always at the beginning of a word. All right, friends, I hope you have a wonderful week, and let us know if you have any questions. We'll talk to you later. Bye.